Question 3, looking at exponential function. So we're given the area of bacteria is equal to 20 times e to the power 1.5 t, where t is greater than or equal to 0. The key thing to note is that t is also representing the time after midday. So write down the area of culture at midday. So at midday, t is equal to 0. So we're looking at A is equal to 20 e to the power 1.5 t. 1.5 times t, where t is 0, is 0. So we're looking at 20 e to the 0. Anything to the power 0 gives us 1, so it's 20 times 1. So our area is 20, and you should have written millimetres squared, but I let you get away with it if you didn't. The next question says, find the time at which the area is twice the area at midday. Okay, so we're looking for when is the area 2 times as big as this area we've just worked out. So that is effectively saying when is the area 40 millimetres squared. So we can substitute in 40 here instead of A from our original equation. So 20 e to the 1.5 t is equal to 40. Divide both sides by 20, and we get 40 over 20, which is 2, which we've got here, is equal to e to the 1.5 t. Here's where some of you were a bit unsure how to convert, how to solve for t. What we need to do is take logs, but we have to take logs of both sides. Okay, so if we're logging e to the 1.5 t, we also must log our 2. Okay, if e to the 1.5 t is equal to 2, then if we log both sides, that is also equal. So here we've got log e 1.5 t. Okay, we know log and our logging e function effectively cancels it out. Okay, so that is just 1, so we can bring 1.5 t to the front, so it's 1.5 log of e. Log of e is just 1, so that is just equal to 1.5 t. And we've still got the log of 2 on the right hand side. So 1.5 t is equal to natural log of 2. So we divide both sides by 1.5, and t is natural log of 2 over 1.5. That gives us 0.462. This is 0.462 hours. To convert from hours to minutes, we multiply by 60. Okay, some of you did not do that correctly, which gives us 27.7 minutes. The question asks us for it to the nearest minute, so that gives us 28 minutes. You was also acceptable to write it as 12:28 because that's the time that it is representing, because it's after midday. Then you could check it, so put your t value that you calculated in your original equation, so I've put it in here. Okay, and said what does the area equal if we do 20 e to the 1.5 times that, and it comes out at 40.00. Okay, so just useful to do that just in case you've made any silly calculation mistake.